Hello everyone, myself Tesing Solanki. In this video, I am going to talk about filing FIR in criminal complaint online. So let's start with this video. Now I'll start with the introduction. FIR and criminal complaint are important legal documents that need to be filed with accuracy and precision. The presentation will guide you through the process of filing this online and simplifying the process for you. Now move to the next slide. FIR filing process. A FIR is first information report. Is a document filed with the police when a crime is committed. The process for filing a FIR online involves registration on the police department website, finding out the required form and submitting it online. So with this, I would like to move to the next slide. Document required for FIR. So while filing a FIR online, ensure that you have all the necessary documents such as ID proof, address proof and detail of the crime. These documents will be required to be uploaded while filing a FIR. So with this video, I would like to move to the next slide. Criminal complaint filing process. A criminal complaint is a document filed with the magistrate when an offense is committed. The process of filing a criminal complaint online involves registration on the court website, filing out the required form and submitting it online. So criminal complaint is one of the most important part in the FIR process. Document required for criminal complaint. While filing a criminal complaint online, ensure that you have all the necessary documents such as ID proof, address proof, detail of the offense. These documents will be required to be uploaded while filing the complaint. Now, with the conclusion, filing FIR and criminal complaint online can be a time-saving and effective process. The guide provides a step-by-step process such as ensure that you can file this document with ease and from the comfort of your home. So in the era of online, we cannot go to the police station, or it is very difficult for someone who is residing in a rural area, and if he wants to file a case in a police station, it is very difficult for him or her. So online filing a FIR is one of the easy methods to do in nowadays. Thank you so much. Thank you for hearing me.